Hello everyone, welcome again. Here's another flip through of a new journal that I just finished. This is another of Took's CraftTable design team projects. I used Took's CraftTable in my garden kit as well as her Tattered Botanical kit. There's also some freebies from Andrea's ArtyMaze, as well as Yvonne's My Crafty Little Corner. I also used some French ephemera from ArtyMaze kit, and also not only the freebies from Yvonne's My Crafty Little Corner, but I've also used I believe it's her butterfly tags or something from her website. This journal has 2 signatures, 72 plus pages. I didn't count them all, but there's at least 72, but there's a lot more than that. The cover is made with vintage linen. I also included a vintage crochet doily. There's white lace. It's tied with a sari silk ribbon. And let's open it up. So the front cover has a printed image from one of the kits. I believe it's the In My Garden kit. I hand embroidered on it. 2 signatures. This is an ArtyMaze freebie. I used some pretty trim. Love the way the cover turned out. So let's open it up. Here's a pretty tag I made. This is a freebie from ArtyMaze. Beautiful kit in my garden from Took's CraftTable, and I printed all the pages, or most all of the pages, onto coffee dyed paper, and I love the way it turned out. I've also included Edith Holden pages. There's 4 full book pages from Edith Holden, 2 in each signature. Also avocado dyed paper. So here's a tag from Yvonne's My Crafty Little Corner. Here's a pocket from the kit. Edith Holden page. Cute little tuck. More beautiful pages from Took's CraftTable kit. Here's a belly band from the kit. French ephemera from ArtyMaze. Printed on coffee dyed paper. Cute little rabbits. Everything that you would find in your garden. It's a really cute kit. Here's another tag I made. I've also included some handmade mulberry paper. I love the feel of it. Another tag. Here's the avocado dyed paper. Edith Holden page. Mulberry paper envelope. Another tag I made. Cute pocket from the kit. More mulberry handmade paper. Another tag. Another belly band. More French ephemera. Another Edith Holden page. Another tag. Another pocket. Onto the second signature. Another Edith Holden page. Mulberry paper. Beautiful pages. I love these big pockets that Took included in her kit. Another belly band. French ephemera. I used some paper bags from the grocery store to back some of the tags. More mulberry paper. Edith Holden page. I love this center spread. More mulberry paper. More avocado dyed paper. Another belly band, French ephemera. Another card from the kit. Lots of pockets, tags, and journaling cards, and lots of journaling space in this journal. More mulberry paper. Another Edith Holden page. Another journaling card from the kit. Here's a really cute page with a squirrel. Again, all things you would find in your garden. Another tag. Another freebie from ArtyMaze. And also in the kit is 2 folded cards that I turned into little notebooks. And inside are 4 pages front and back of coffee dyed paper. So I will include these 2 notebooks in this journal as well. I think I'll put one in the back pocket and one in the front pocket. So that's it. Thank you again. Have a great day. See you again soon when I finish another one.